In this video, I'll show you a simple, beginner-friendly method called storefront stalking, using SellerAmp to quickly find top-selling products. Storefront stalking is one of the most effective and underrated methods for Amazon product research. It helps you uncover winning products by analyzing successful sellers' storefronts and reverse engineering their strategies. What is storefront stalking? Storefront stalking refers to browsing through the storefronts of successful Amazon sellers to see what products they are selling, check their pricing, reviews, and best seller rank, analyze patterns in product success, spot emerging trends. Here's a quick overview of the steps involved in storefront stalking. I will guide you through each one clearly and step by step in the next part of the video. First, find a product or niche you're interested in. Start by typing a keyword like baby stuffed toy into Amazon's search bar. Select a non-sponsored listing, preferably not associated with a major brand such as Amazon Basics. Ensure that the product is offered by at least 2 FBA sellers to avoid private label brands. Click the arrow under Other Sellers on Amazon to display the list of sellers offering this product. Choose an FBA seller or the one with label dispatches from Amazon, and has ideally with 10 to 500 ratings. Then, click on the name of the store. This will open their storefront. Next, check the seller store reviews. Ideally, they should have a rating of 4.3 stars or higher. Then, copy the URL of their storefront. Open SellerAmp in your browser, paste the storefront URL into the search bar, and click Search. Now, take a moment to analyze the seller's storefront and explore their product listings to identify potential sourcing opportunities. If you're familiar with brands that perform well on Amazon, or want to avoid private label or IP-restricted products, be sure to use the brand filter. You can also use the category filter if you're targeting a specific type of product. And if you prefer to browse everything, simply scroll down to view all the listings on the page. Select a product you'd like to research further. For example, let's take this Jellycat Amusable Croissant. Check its attributes, such as bestseller rank, estimated sales, and the current number of sellers, to see if it aligns with your criteria. Please note, the maximum cost shown here is based on the store price, not the current buy box price. Now, let's take a look at some useful icons for product sourcing. This icon takes you to SellerAmp's product overview. This one redirects you to Google, where the product is automatically searched. This one redirects you to Google Shopping. And this icon allows you to view the product directly on Amazon. By clicking this button, you'll access a more detailed view of the product data overview. You'll also see the actual maximum cost of the product, which can be used as a reference for sourcing decisions. It's important to double-check that the current buy box price is not inflated. If it is, you may adjust the sale price accordingly, and the maximum cost will update to reflect the change. If you have a Seller Central login, make sure to sign in here to check whether your client's account is eligible to sell this product. By clicking this button, you will be directed to the product's Amazon listing. By clicking any of these buttons, you'll be redirected to Google, where a search for the product is performed automatically. However, it's highly recommended to use Google Shopping for faster and more efficient product browsing. Look for products priced close to the maximum cost. Some websites may offer vouchers or coupons, which can help reduce the overall product cost. It's also important to ensure that the website you choose is legitimate and does not offer replicas or counterfeit items. Compare the product attributes on the source website, such as the name, size, appearance, and other key details with the product listing on Amazon to ensure they match. Check for available vouchers and proceed to checkout to confirm stock availability. Make sure to enter the correct address or postal code in the shipping details to determine the accurate shipping fee, and include this in the product's total cost price. Go back to SellerAmp and input the total cost price of the item. If the profit and ROI meet your criteria, then it's considered a good deal. Record the deal in your deal sheet, then repeat the process for the remaining products in the storefront. And that's a wrap on our Amazon product research tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Got questions or suggestions? Leave a comment below, I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and happy sourcing!